The nipples are the home of the sex drive.
What?
It's so crunchy. Can you believe you can make yak babies with that?
Oh, you need more than just that.
Guacamole helps.
I'm getting a little of the, straight penis. Well, that's probably the wrong way to put it.
Don't put those words together.
Don't put that on the t-shirt.
Unadulterated penis. Oh, don't say that either. Yeah. Okay. I mean, it's palatable. It's not as bad as the fish chip, but...
I mean, I can't say I'm enjoying myself, but I don't want to die.
Right, so I want to keep living.
I mean, based on the expectations coming into this, will it chip?
No.
Would you rather just have a straight penis? I mean
don't do that again.
Sorry. I'm sorry. I swear I don't.
But since you asked, no.
Okay. All right. I'll join the bandwagon. Will it penis? I mean,
what is wrong with you? That's another episode, man.
Yeah, write that.
Write it down.
Write that down.
We need to like play music in here so that. Ooh. Ooh. It's soggy. It's tight and soggy. You know what? I know what you've done. This is your fingers, because your hand's sweaty.
I know what you done. It's your fingers.
Would you please use the smell in a sentence?
Oh, that's private information. Don't spill this smell.
Beans. B-E-A-N-S. Beans.
No, that is not it. Is that your final answer?
Well, yeah. Beans.
Did you see how many letters there are?
Oh, crap.
All right, it is.
There's not enough letters. I forgot to count the letters. No. Oh, no.
Don't leave. You got.
No. I didn't count the freaking letters!
I thought you were joking, it was so easy. I thought you were gonna get it with this.
I didn't count the letters!
You know what the K stands for?
Coochie coo. Coochie coo, like a baby. You ready to blow it?
I'll give you some right now.
Give me a whiff, man. Minty. What? So not minty?
Minty.
This is the best smelling thing that you've given me all day. Then I'm gonna, oh yeah, look at that. Scanning myself for
Don't put it on your eyes. Don't go through your,
like I did a little bit.
Okay, it's time for Tricky Turkey Twisters. Apparently, being a pilgrim was pretty boring. So boring that they did tongue twisters to pass the time.
Tongue twisters aren't boring.
You're gonna be great at this.
All right, here's what we're gonna do.
They're not boring.
She's never asked me, what are you doing back there? I'm trying to fall asleep. Why are you beating off making a, making a beat? I was not laughing like Popeye. Sneaky.
desk.
Spinky.
Spinky's not a word. 5. And as I begin to count down from 5, your eyelids are getting heavy, very droopy, as if there are weights on them. 4. And you continue to say, oh my goodness, my eyelids are getting so heavy. Your eyes begin to close. 3.
Oh my goodness, my eyelids are getting so
You don't, that you're saying that in your head.
You should say that.
Don't say anything. But your eyelids are getting very heavy too. They're getting so...
You're gonna have to go back a little bit.
5. I'm counting down from 5, and you're getting sleepier and sleepier, and you're 4, and your eyelids are getting heavier and heavier and heavier. 3, your lip is quivering a little bit. Is that something that's supposed to happen? No, it's not. 3, and now the eyelids feel as if they are beginning to close. They have weights on them. 2, you're beginning to close your eyes. The eyes are so heavy and droopy. They are 1, closing, 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 closing. Sleep now.
What?
Oh, what you looking at down there?
I'm sticking with the tonsils, the puce and the prepuce, right there.
Okay, actually the correct answer is right here.
Oh!
It's your foreskin, Link.
Ooh, okay.
You don't have that anymore, right?
Mr. Predicto, are we gonna be friends?
Willie's real rear wheel.
Willie's real rear wheel?
Willie's real
rear wheel.
Here we go, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Willie's real rear wheel.
Willie's real rear wheel.
Willie's real wheel wheel.
Willie's real rear wheel.
Willie's real wheel wheel.
Willie's real rear wheel.
Willie's real wheel wheel.
Willie's real rear wheel.
Willie's real rear wheel.
You're saying really?
That's right. No, I said that one right.
Willie's real rear wheel.
Willie's real real wheel.
Willie's real real wheel.
Willie's real real wheel.
I don't know, man.
First of all, this thing's big. It's like 8 inches long. How big is that? And then, do vegetables have fruits? I mean, seeds? Beach.
Oh, what? You just said, oh, no, that wasn't a word. You said beach.
You sit on it at the park.
Going in for another bite, huh? Oh, gosh.
Because I've eaten a biscuit with grape jam.
Grape jam. Yeah, you gotta talk proper with it. The executives are listening. I've eaten a biscuit with grape jam. Keep it professional when you guys are, when the execs tune in. How was it? How was the grape jam? How was it? When you had it on your biscuit.
And sausage. So I've never had. I don't know what I'm laughing at. What is it?
It's a leg raisin.
What?
It's a leg raisin.
It's a good reason?
It's a leg.
It's a
Leg.
egg reason. It's a leg raisin.
Leg raisin.
It's such a leg raisin.
Yeah. Flying saucer. Saturn. Uranus.
No. You said Uranus?
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
How can a clam in a clean can?
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
How can a clam in a clean cream can?
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
How can a clam cram in a clean can?
How can a clam cram in a cream can?
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
How can a clam cream?
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
How can a clam cram in a clean cream can?
Time.
I got that one. Roll up your sleeve. I rolled up my sleeve.
Because your shirt's rubber.
Which one am I gonna ask here?
I got a really pointy elbow though.
Cracks.
Plumbers.
Say it. Cracks. Donkeys. You said a bad word.
It could be like wassail.
It's straight cinnamon. This is just
Now we
straight
go
up.
wassailing.
This is cinnamon stick soda.
You guys are in the right family.
Family? Is that a hint?
Cider. It's cider soda.
No, you're less out of the family now.
Cinnamon. It's Jamaican cinnamon.
No,
Cinnabon.
it's festive.
Christmas.
It's just Christmas soda.
Christmas soda.
Yeah, it's just Christmas
It's
soda.
reindeer. No,
Reindeer pea.
Now that's a good idea.
Yeah. Reindeer pea. It's just cinnamon flavored, which that is what it tastes like. If you drink it from the source.
Yeah, talk about a cinnamon stick. I want to tell you something about the $6 Million Man, but I'm kind of afraid if I tell you, you're just going to go tell everybody.
No, tell me.
Oh, do you want to know a secret about the $6 Million Man's arm?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, one of these days, the $6 Million Man was at home, listening to music on his radio. Just like this.
Okay.
And he started to notice something very peculiar about one of his arms.
Can my mom come back in?
He noticed something very peculiar about one of his arms.
What?
Yes, this arm. Yes. He started noticing that it got very stiff. Stiff as a board. That arm was getting very stiff.
Yes.
And the stiffer it got, he began to close his eyes
Oh.
and have a very pleasant dream because this was his dreaming arm. And the dream only lasted as long as the arm was up. And every time he brought the stiff arm up, he had a new dream. Tell me about the dream.
Dream that I'm running away from a creepy man. I'm running in a wood, a forest. I'm afraid. I'm really afraid. Oh. Okay.
Tell me about the dream.
And then I get to a house made of candy and weapons. And I take some of the weapons.
And the dream is over.
These he.
No, don't take it out. Come on, man.
These he. These he yay. These he yay. These he ya. These he yay. These he yay. These he.
I just let it drool now.
These he ye. These he ya. These he yay. These he yay. Is this close?
Yeah, the CAA.
These he ya.
DCAA. Yeah, you got it.
These.
You got it a long time ago, and you said DCAA. The CIA, man. What?
I just wanted to take you by surprise. Did it hurt? That's my bad shoulder. Don't hit my bad shoulder. I broke it. Where are you going? My heart! Ow! Ow! That one actually hurt.
Well, you started it, man.
But yours didn't hurt, did it?
Yeah, it hurt pretty bad.
Batman. Devil llama. Cat. Llama? Devil llama.
I don't know where it is anymore.
Horned a deer. Unicorn.
Yeah. Horned deer.
Horned deer.
Dick drunk drink in a dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk drink in?
Can you even talk? Dick drunk drink in a dish. Where's the dish that Dick drink in?
Okay, Rhett goes first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dick drunk drink in a dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk drink in?
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk drinking?
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the dish drunk drinking?
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk drinking?
Dick drunk drinking the dish.
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk drinking?
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk drinking?
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk drinking?
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk drinking?
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk drinking?
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the
Dick drunk drinking the dish. Where's the dish that Dick drunk
Time.
drinking?
Oh gosh. That's your freaking nipple, man.
That's your freaking nipple,
What
man.
does that say about my face?
Your beard. I put your finger in the hairiest part of his beard.
Your face feels like a nipple, man.
Playing ambient massage song.
I'm so tight, so stressed, need someone to rub my neck. Oh yeah, that's the spot. I like the way you work my muscle knots. Put some oil on my back, give me a two-handed attack. I had a really hard week, and I want you to rub my feet. I'm so stiff, so stressed, need someone to rub my chest. Oh yeah, that's the spot. I like the way you work my booty knots.